They tell me how it should feel till I live it. It's ideal. Time flies by, only alone. Now just photos.
In my heart is a waterfall of windmills and rockets and empty baskets. In my heart is a waterfall, bleeding pine trees and lit up windows and poison arrows. In my heart is a waterfall
guys, I hope you enjoyed this little motivational clean and dusting and refreshing of the living room area. I did switch things around a bit when it came to the pillow covers. I really wanted to lighten up the sectional with some white pillow covers that I got from Temu with the black border around, but it just didn't look good. I feel like the black with pops of white pillow covers really elevate and brings that elegance to my styling on my sectional. So I ended up switching them out and just adding the black ones with the white border that I got from Temu. The round one is from Temu, and all of the other ones are from Amazon. And then I didn't change anything out here. I just switched these from over there to over there, and I added back the white vase there. If you really want a detailed tour of where everything is from in my living room area, you can just check out my other living room videos, and you'll get more of a detailed tour where I share where everything is from, like from Amazon, Temu, Winners Home Sense, DIYs, thrift finds and things like that. So yeah. And then for the coffee table, I just kept it a bit light in area and not with too many things. So I just added some books to the bottom there that I got from Amazon. And then the acrylic stand is from Temu. And then this beaded garland I got from Amazon a while back. Some candles, some coasters, because now that the weather's getting really nice, my family and I, we do like to hang out here and watch Netflix and movies and things like that. So I love keeping coasters. And these are just about, I think, like 6 or 8 coasters that I got with this little case that came from Amazon. And these are the hydrangeas that are really nice for the summertime. Hydrangeas are really nice for the summertime. And because I went more with this black, elegant and sort of cozy vibe here, I wanted to add a lot of greenery because the greenery really pops and it just complements my black and white modern aesthetics a lot better. So yeah, so on the coffee table, the thrifted vase, I just added these beautiful hydrangeas. These are really nice long stem hydrangeas that I got from Temu, that I shared and styled with for the spring season. I decided to just carry them over, and I think it goes really nicely with the look, and it sort of softens up a bit. And then over here, I added this decorative piece that I got from Winners a while back, some greenery in this cute little ginger jar that I thrifted from Value Village. And that is the living room area, guys. Really simple. I'm not sure if this is my summer look, but for right now, this is my refresh look for the summer season. I may change it up later on, but yeah, I don't know if I want to add a pop of color or anything like that for the summer, so I may just keep my black and white aesthetics, and then when we get more into the fall season, I'll add pops of color. But that is the living room area. And like I said, if you want more of a detailed tour to know where every single thing is from, you can check out my other videos. Oh yeah, before I forget, guys, also I wanted to add a white vase. So in one of the clips, you guys saw me adding the white pillowcases, like I said in the clip before this, and a white vase. And yeah, like I said, the look that I really envisioned was to really soften up the space and bring in more pops of white. But sometimes when you're decorating, sometimes you envision a particular styling that you really want to create in your space, but it doesn't always go that way. So you just have to go back to your drawing board and just come up with something different. I feel like black pillow covers really elevate the look of my sectional and my space. So we just had to you know, shop our home and go with these white pillow covers and switch out the white vase for the black thrifted one. So yeah, just wanted to share a little PSA with you guys. For my entryway table, guys, I just shopped my home like I always do, and I moved things around. This used to be on the dining room table. I brought it here and I added these greenery long stems that I got from Amazon a while back. I kept some of the same coffee table books from Amazon, Temu, and then this is a DIY bowl with some greenery. I'm really loving greenery for the summer season because it just brings a lot of life into the space, and it really, like I said, complements my black and white aesthetics nicely. And it also brings a nice pop of color if you don't want to add actual color in like your pillow covers and things like that. This is a great way to, you know, add some color into the space. And then the cute little lady, and then I just added this plant stand that I got from home since about 3 years ago, and these are some nice palm. It's an all-in-one palm branch that I got from Amazon a few years ago, and that is the entryway area. Just loving all the greenery. It really pops, looks really nice, and yeah. Anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope I gave you a little bit of cleaning motivation to just do a little bit of dusting, like I said, cleaning and just refreshing your space and moving things around just to give a new look. Because sometimes we do get bored seeing the same pillow covers and our decorative items the same way day after day. So every week or 2 weeks, I think it's really nice to like shop your home and move things around, switch out your pillow covers, and just give your space like a refreshed and new look. And that is what I did in today's video. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. It really, really, really does help out the channel. As well as if you're new and you are watching for the first time, welcome to Glam Designs by Anne, and to my returning OGs, thank you so much for tuning in for yet another video. Thank you all for watching. Have a beautiful and blessed weekend, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe as well and double tap your bell. That way you'll always get notifications whenever I upload new videos. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.
They tell me how it should feel till I live it. It's ideal. Time flies by only on loan. Now just photos on my phone.